What's up, YouTube? Brian's Food Reviews back with another video. Hope y'all doing good. I'm doing pretty good. Today is Mother's Day, and I'm going to be grilling some food, all right? Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there, all right? So, I'm going to be grilling some Johnsonville sausages and some burgers, all right? So, yeah, y'all, let's go ahead and get started, all right? Once again, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. All right. So I'm going to be wrapping these sausages up in bacon. All right. This will be my first time doing this. But check it out, y'all. Got them all wrapped up. I got some toothpicks in them also to keep that bacon around the sausages. All right. Okay. So the sausages have been on the grill for, I don't know, 15 minutes or something like that. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and lift up the lid and show y'all what they're looking like. All right, I got me a Modelo. All right, if you're on the grill, you gotta have your beer. All right, so here's what it's looking like so far. Okay. Everything's looking good. Turn them over. Get that bacon cooking really good. All right. Beautiful day today, y'all. It was like 80 degrees today. All right. So it's a beautiful day for, cooking something on the grill. All right. I was going to grill yesterday. I was going to grill some ribs, but instead I went ahead and cooked them in the oven. All right. But, it was still good. So today I had to go ahead and get on that grill. All right. I told my girlfriend I was going to grill something. She's a mother and everything. She's got 2 kids. Her kids are grown. They're like 23 and 28, right? So her kids are grown. But, I want to get out and still put something on the grill. She loves when I grill, so, hey, I don't mind doing it. All right? So we got the burgers on there. Season those burgers up to perfection, of course. Right? And, yeah, y'all. Everything's looking good, man. Now we're going to put some cheese on them. I got the cheese on there. Everything's looking good, man. Smelling delicious. All right. And here's my plate right here, y'all. I got a couple of those sausages. All right. Got my burgers. Some red onion. Right? Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Hope y'all have a great day. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.